So for this week, you have another Edpuzzle video assignment. The link is right here. And click on that and it'll pull up the video, and there will be some questions for you to answer as you watch the video. Please remember that Edpuzzle does keep track of who watches it and who does not, so I will know if you are not watching the video. The expectation is that you also take notes as you are watching the video. I have included here a copy of some guided notes for you if you wish to use them. I prefer it if you print these out and handwrite your notes as you are watching the video. If you do not have a printer, that is okay. I will have some copies available for you to go back and fill in your notes later on. Or if you wish, you may type them for now and print them when you get to school. If you choose to type them, be sure to click File and make a copy of the document, so that way you can have a copy of the notes that you can edit and type into. If you choose to type your notes, what I suggest you do is split the screen on your Chromebook. How to do that is you press the Alt and the two bracket buttons, and that'll split your screen in half. You can have one tab open on one side with the Edpuzzle video playing and another tab open on the other side with your note sheet, so that way you can type in your notes as you are listening to the assignment.